In all of my excitement, I forgot to tell you who I am. So, it's a pleasure to be with you all. My name is Dara Navina, and this showcase has been produced by all of the students of the Sri Lankan Dance Academy of New York. I'm sure you all knew that already, but I just wanted to make sure you did. Now, the first performance that we saw was performed by our junior dancers. They are our next graduating class. We are so proud of them. They have been leading our showcase. They have been leading our students, and they are the role models for our next group. Now, our next group are a cheerful batch, a lively batch, and our youngest group. So please give a round of applause for our little gems.
අත්තන මල මුදුනේ බඹරු නටන හැන්දෑවේ සැඳ අඳුර පියමංකර කවුද එන්නේ පුතුනි බලන් යොමානුවන් කවුරුද එන්නේ සැලෙන උදේ උදාදි මුතු හිරු එලේ පුතු සවනට රහස් කියා පියමං කරලා අප වෙනුවෙන් දවස ගෙවා වෙහෙසියෙන්නේ රුක් අත්තන මල මුදුනේ බඹරු නටන හැන්දෑවේ සැඳ අඳුර පියමංකර කවුරුද එන්නේ පුතුනි බලන් යොමානුවන් කවුරුද එන්නේ